The silence of the snow. The strong beating of the rain. Gentle waves that crash occasionally with stupendous force. The sound of bells in the distance. Long ago, people were fascinated by sounds created by nature and sought to recreate them to express their joys, their sorrows, or their prayers. Naga-uta is often described as the music of Ma, a word which can be translated as void or space. Rather than creating music through the accumulation of sounds, Naga-uta values stillness in between the sounds, as much as the sounds themselves. Naga-uta was created in the mid-17th century as a musical accompaniment to kabuki, a Japanese traditional theatrical drama, but has since evolved in different ways over the ages. Today, it is highly valued in many countries as a uniquely sophisticated style of music, unheard of in any other cultures. The music is performed with traditional Japanese instruments, including shamisen, tsutsumi, taiko, and fue, in much the same way that they were performed some 300 years ago. Naga-uta, which is born from instruments created from nature itself, gently embraces us and helps us to be one with nature. The shamisen has evolved from an instrument which originated in China, but was transformed into its current form via the Okinawan sanshin to become one of the most popular instruments in Japan. It has a rectangular and hollow body that is taut front and back with a leather skin. A fretless neck, which is slimmer than that of a guitar or banjo, is attached to the body. The overall structure is similar to a banjo, but it is played using a bachi, a large plectrum. When the string is plucked, the drum-like body resonates, which creates its uniquely complex sound. The tsutsumi is a Japanese drum of Chinese and Indian origin. It consists of a wooden body shaped like an hourglass, and it is taut, with two drum heads and cords that can be squeezed or released to increase or decrease the tension of the heads respectively. This mechanism allows the player to raise or lower the pitch of the drum while playing, not unlike the African talking drum. The quality of the sound from the drum will depend on how much moisture is in the atmosphere where it is being played.